Hey, it's Miss Veronica, Miss V. So today's practice is a mindful listening, but also feeling the energy in our body practice called rain. I actually learned how to make rain at this huge conference. This guy was standing on the platform leading us all in this synchronized way to make rain. And then I just added my own little thunder, but I thought what a perfect practice. One, to listen, to follow instructions, but also to feel the difference in the energy. So we go through a process with a story of making rain. And I had one class that I actually had the first graders lead. So follow along with me. So imagine you're like this frog on a rock, or you're just a little bean on a rock, maybe you're a little fairy on a rock sitting, and you're just noticing the weather. It's beautiful outside, but suddenly you feel this light breeze. So we put our hands together. I'll give you the instructions and I'll do it all the way through, okay? So that's wind. So we feel this breeze, this wind, and suddenly we feel sprinkles. And we snap our fingers, or if they're little bitty kids, they go. So we move on our front porch and suddenly there's some rain on the rooftop. And then this huge dark cloud comes and there's thunder and there's rain, heavy rain. And that's when I ring this. And then we go backwards. We go from heavy rain to there's rain on the rooftop. Clouds begin to move, they're just sprinkles. Suddenly it's just the breeze. The breeze blows everything away. A rainbow comes out. We bring the rainbow to our heart. And as the sun shines, we just smile from our eyes. All right? So we go from wind to sprinkles to rain on the rooftop to heavy rain and thunder. I got this in Austin at 10,000 Villages. It's this little hollow drum that you shake. So with this, I have to make sure that the kids don't get close to each other when we take turns because we don't want them to poke their eyes out. And there's texture. So after we go through the whole process, I ask them what did each energy level feel like, and then we pass this along. They can feel the texture, they can look at the design, they can make thunder. All right, so let's do this one more time. Imagine it's just you. You're sitting outside, it's a beautiful day and you're looking around, you're being mindful, and suddenly you feel this breeze. And as you're sitting there, you feel sprinkles. So you move to the porch. And while you're sitting there, suddenly there's rain on the rooftop, so you go inside. And then there's this big heavy cloud and there's heavy rain with thunder, Ooh, but the storm passes through, it doesn't last forever. So now there's just rain on the rooftop. And as the clouds keep moving, there's just sprinkles. And then the breeze blows away all the rest of the clouds. A rainbow comes out, and we bring the rainbow to our heart, and it makes our eyes smile like sunshine. So I ask the kids, what does it feel like, or what's the difference in energy between wind and heavy rain? And they get crazy. They like to bang on that. How did you feel? Like, how does it feel in your body? How does the energy feel in your body? And then I ask them a few questions, like, so when you're in class, should you be a thunderstorm? They're like, no. I go, but what if you're having a thunderstorm? You're feeling a thunderstorm. You're frustrated or angry. What can you do to calm the storm? Because all storms pass. Nothing lasts forever. So just like emotions, the emotion arises in our body. We suddenly have this thought, but with our mindful awareness, we can calm that storm and breathe and let it move through. So rain, a fun, easy way to teach kids mindful listening, also feeling, and then they get to lead the whole process. Have an awesome day.